Home Remedies presents.
This is so smart. I wish I knew about this earlier. Pests in the home can be very annoying. If you have dealt with ants or roaches, you understand how much effort people put into keeping their homes clean and free of pests. A simple and effective way to tackle this problem is by using borax wax paper and placing it strategically under your fridge. This traditional method is becoming more popular and it can help you maintain a pest-free home. The power of borax. Borax is a natural mineral commonly found in cleaning supplies, laundry soaps, and bug sprays. It is very effective at controlling pests, which is why many home owners prefer it over strong chemicals. So, what makes borax so good at fighting pests like ants and cockroaches? How borax works. Borax serves as a stomach poison for ants and cockroaches. When these insects eat borax, it disrupts their digestion, leading to their death. Additionally, borax can scratch the outer shells of insects, causing them to lose water. When ants carry borax back to their nest, it can wipe out the whole colony, not just the visible ants. This two-way effect, poisoning and drying out, makes borax a strong and effective tool for pest control. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why use wax paper? Wax paper is great for spreading borax. It is easy to use and keeps the powder away from places where kids or pets could touch it. You can spread a thin layer of borax on the wax paper and easily slide it under your fridge without making a mess, making it a handy tool for careful placement. The strategic location under the fridge. The space beneath your fridge can attract pests. The warmth and some moisture create a perfect place for ants, roaches and other bugs to live. Plus, food crumbs and spills can gather there, giving these pests a steady food supply. Using borax under the fridge focuses on this busy area for pests, making it more likely they will encounter the borax. Step-by-step guide to using borax and wax paper under the fridge. You will need borax powder, a piece of wax paper, scissors, and a small spoon or cardboard to spread the borax. Cut a piece of wax paper that is big enough to cover the space under your fridge. The size you need will vary, but a square of about 12 inches by 12 inches usually works well. Lightly sprinkle a tiny layer of borax on the wax paper. You only need a tablespoon or two to cover the area. Gently slide the wax paper under the fridge, placing it where pests might walk over it. Ensure the borax is evenly spread and stays on the wax paper. Look at the wax paper every few weeks to see if it needs to be changed. If the borax looks dirty or damp, throw away the old wax paper and put a new one. Advantages of this method. Safe for people and pets. Borax is harmful to insects but is generally safe for humans and pets when used correctly. The wax paper keeps the borax from touching anything directly, reducing any potential risk. Affordable. Borax is a low-cost option when compared to hiring pest control experts or buying commercial insect sprays. Eco-friendly. Borax is a natural mineral, making it better for the environment than many chemical pest control methods. It doesn't harm the environment like synthetic pesticides do. Durable. After being applied, borax can work for months, offering ongoing pest control with little effort needed. Safety tips. Although borax is mostly safe for people and pets, it's crucial to use it carefully. Keep borax away. Ensure that children and pets cannot reach the space under the fridge where borax is located. Prevent swallowing and breathing it in. Use gloves when touching borax and steer clear of breathing in the powder directly. Store borax correctly. Place borax in a sealed container and keep it in a dry, cool area away from food and drinks. Using borax on wax paper beneath your fridge is an easy, effective, and low-cost method to control pests in your home. This approach focuses on a common spot where pests tend to accumulate, offering a lasting solution without harsh chemicals. By knowing how borax functions and adhering to some safety tips, you can maintain a clean, safe, and pest-free home. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.